Newsbeat. Presented by Patricia Osman. With DFCU Bank. Open a DFCU secondary account. Spot in 5 minutes using your phone or laptop.
Kampala Capital City Authority with the Ministry of Health and UNICEF have organized a business symposium in Kampala to empower the business community on how to protect their businesses in the midst of any disease outbreak. In the future, one of the event organizers, Farida Ure, says many businesses, both small and big, were greatly affected during the coronavirus outbreak, adding that this symposium is timely and much needed.
We still have to prepare the business community such that by the time an outbreak breaks out in Uganda, we do not have to be affected by it. So that's why we have tried to mobilize a high-level symposium to make sure that we forge a way forward on how to ensure that we protect the public, clients, and their businesses from being affected by the outbreak.
The Ministry of ICT, MTN Foundation and other partners have unveiled a nationwide youth-centered economic empowerment initiative dubbed the MTNS under the theme Digital Skills for Digital Jobs. The initiative targets a wide base of youths in Uganda, including fresh graduates, those in and out of school, innovators, entrepreneurs, as well as tech-driven startups. Border riders in Kampala are still reluctant over government calls for them to undergo formal training. Tamale Wilson, the director, Country View Driving School, that was contracted to conduct the training by KCCA, notes that out of the projected 60,000 riders, only 16 had been trained at Nakasero Primary School in 3 weeks. Security personnel in Hoima have arrested a 30-year-old man for allegedly trafficking 16 children. The suspect, Deo Kivumbi, resident of Kasubi Cell in Rubaga Division, Kampala, was arrested from Kiriatete, a suburb of Hoima City, after he was found with children that included 5 boys and 11 girls aged between 6 and 17 years. Nakawa Division Mayor Paul Mugambe has asked traders not to hike commodity prices as we head into the festive season. Speaking of the final draw of Wangula Emotoka ne Euroform, Mugambe notes that many Ugandans are not yet financial. Speaking at the final draw of Wangula Emotoka ne Euroform, Mugambe notes that many Ugandans are not yet financially stable after being hit hard by COVID-19.
In this time of festivities, there is usually a tendency to hike the prices of commodities. My humble request is that this is a time of happiness. Let everyone enjoy. Let us be empathetic to everyone. Let us not hike the prices of things, commodities, rice, sugar, meat, so that everyone really celebrates.
The promotion saw 10 winners walk away with a car, bicycles, motorcycles, fridges and flat-screen televisions. And finally, traders in Busega have refused to occupy the newly constructed market. Last week, the State Minister for Kampala and Metropolitan Affairs, Kabuye Chofatogabye, asked the vendors to occupy the market. However, the traders have refused, saying that it does not meet their standards. That's it, Tim Osman. Good evening.
Capital FM Premiership Update.